Thank you for choosing NeoGate TA Analog VoIP Gateway. If you are using MyPBX, this video will show you how to connect NeoGate TA Analog VoIP Gateway with MyPBX. Let's take TA3200 as an example. By default, NeoGate TA will get the IP address from the DHCP server. We need to change the IP address of NeoGate TA to a static address to ensure a stable integration. Firstly, plug NeoGate TA to the router. Remember to enable the DHCP feature on the router. Secondly, use an analog phone connected to the FX port of the gateway. Press star for 3 times to get into the IVR menu.
Press 01 to check the IP address. Press 02 to check the web access address.
Enter 1 to obtain the gateway's IP address.
Static IP address 192.168.2.107. Press 9 to listen to it again.
Finally, log in the web interface to change the IP address. In this mode, analog phones of NeoGate TA will be registered as a SIP extension of the IPPBX and share the same feature as the other IPPBX extensions. Step 1. Create a SIP extension of MyPBX. The newly created SIP extension will be used to register the analog phones of NeoGate TA. The marked field will be used later. Step 2. Create a VoIP server template in NeoGate TA. The type and protocol should be the same with the configuration of MyPBX. Check the box before Enable Register. Step 3. Edit the dial pattern template in NeoGate TA. The default dial pattern is set as dot, which allows you to dial any number out. In this video, we will use the default setting. You can change it according to your environment. Step 4. Add it to the FX port. The analog phone is connected to port 1, so we need to configure this port. Fill in the parameter and check the port status. Now we can make and receive calls with the analog phone. Pick up the analog phone and dial the extension number of MyPBX. The extension rings. MyPBX extension could also dial the extension number of the analog phone directly. When making external calls through MyPBX trunks, the dial pattern of the outbound route should be matched. For example, the prefix is 9, so we should dial 9 and the external number on the analog phone. Also, the extension 306 needs to be moved to the selected extension.